equal if they have exactly the same element. Both set A and B should contain exactly the same element. Then we say that the two sets are equal. Otherwise, the sets are unequal. So here, what are the elements given? A, B, C, D, and the set B also given. What are the element? D, C, B, A. Check it is equal or not. Check it is equal or not. By saying only we say that. So here set A, set B. A is there, no? Here. And B. In the set B also B is there. And in the set next element is C. C also there. Next element is D. D is also there. Means A belongs to A. I already told belongs to shows that A is an element of set A. Belongs to means A is an element of set A. And A is also belongs to B. And B belongs to A. As B is also an element of set B. C belongs to A. C is also an element of set B. D is an element of set A. D is also an element of set B. So what are the elements here and here are there? So what are the elements given in the set? That elements of the set A are exactly same elements of the set B also. That means here the set is so then we write set A equal to B. Set A equal to B. Take next question. Set A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and B equal to 8, 4, 16 and 18. So you check here it is equal or unequal. Solution. Set first take element. 4 is an element of set A and 4 is there in the set B also, no? Therefore 4 is also an element of set B. Next element is 8. 8 is an element of set A. So check here in the set B. Yes, 8 is there. 8 is also an element of set B. Next 12. 12 is an element of set A. Here 12 check in the set B. No, 12 is not there in the set B. Means 12 is not an element of set B. 12 is not an element of set B. That indicate the symbol does not belongs to. So what shows this? 12 is not an element of set B. 12 is an element of set A. 12 is not an element of set B. That's why 12 belongs to A. 12 is an element of set A. 12 does not an element of set B. Because 12 is not there in the set B. So next 16 belongs to A. Yes, 16 is there. 16 belongs to B. But here elements are over and over. So 4, 8, 12. So at least when we compare to both sets, If we get at least one sets are different than two sets, ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ that sets are not equal. So here one element is different in these two sets. No, 12 is there in A, but 12 is not an element of set B. Therefore the given set is unequal. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು that is not a equal sets, that is unequal sets. Next one, set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set B equal to x such that x is a positive even integer. X is positive even integer and x is less than or equal to 10. So here what is the x values we should take in the set B means positive even integers. Means integers what are the positive numbers are there, that should we take, but that too even integers, sama sankhyegalu, even numbers. So we should consider here positive even numbers and that value should be less than or equal. So that values, x values, whatever we take positive even integer, that should be equal to 10 or less than 10. We should take, if only less than means we take 10 before what are the even numbers that there, that should be we take, but here equals also they give up, so that means we take up to 10 up to 10 we should take, we should collect the even positive integers. What are that? So here set A equal to, they given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and consider set B equal to, take in here they given single common property that when converted to roster form means element form, positive even number is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 10. So now compare the elements in the both sets A and B. 2 belongs to A and 2 is also belongs to B. 4 is belongs to A and here also 4 belongs to B. 6 belongs to A. Yes, 6 is also an element of set B. 8 is an element of set A. Then 8 is also an element of set B. 10 is an element of set A. Then obviously we say that 10 is also an element of set B. So both elements are exactly same in the two sets A and B. So therefore set A equal to set B. Both sets are equal. Or the following pair of sets equal. Okay, take fifth one. Fourth one, set A equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10 and set B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. So solution. So here compare this one. Here what we get, set first consider the set A element. X is a multiple of 10. So if we multiply by 10, that is the X elements. Multiple of 10 is 10. 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, etc. And what are the set B elements? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. Compare now both sets elements. What are the elements? Set 10, A belongs to A, and 10 is an element of set B also. But 20 is element of set A, but 15 is the element of B. 20. So here 20, 10 after here 20 we have. Yes, in this 20, 30 is also there, but 15 is there. 15 is not an element of set A. 15 is element of set B, but 15 is not an element of set A. So 10, 20, 30 ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ, ಆದರೆ 15, 25, 35 ಅನ್ನೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So if 15 is an element of set B, but 15 is not an element of set A, means there is different elements in both sets. So therefore these sets are not equal sets. These sets are unequal sets. No? So 15 is an element of B, but 15 is not there in set A. Therefore it is an unequal sets. Understood, na? Next, fifth one. For the following phase of sets equal, give reason. Fifth one. Or the following phase of sets equal. Give reason. Give reason. So in that first one, take set A equal to 2, 3 and set B equal to x, such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So here set A given. We should convert to this one also to element form by using this equation. First solve that equation. The equation can be written as x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We know the factorization method. So there is no nothing here, means there is 1. So 1 into 6 is 6. So 5x. So 3 2s, which table we get 6? Multiplying by 3 to 2, 3 2s are 6. We get 6. By multiplying 3 into 2, we get 6. 3 2s are 6. If we add these two, we get 5x. So here plus 5x is there. That's why I put here also plus, here also plus. So 2x and x. So now we should write here by using this 2. How we write? x square, and 5x can be written as 3x plus 2x. If you add both 3x plus 2x, again we get 5x. Right? 3x plus 2x, again we get 5x plus 6 as it is equal to 0. Again we grouping these two. We take common here. What that x square means, here there are 2x. I will take outside 1x. Remaining how many x are there? 1x is there. I put in the bracket. So plus into plus. So x is in the outside. So x is over. X, because x is in outside, remaining is 3. Okay. So this group is over. Plus, what are the common these two means? We take here 2. If we take 2 common, if we in this group, I will take 2 constant term common. Remaining what is there here? X. So here we take x, x we take here, but here we take common constant number we take outside. So if it, because we get these one also here also, for that here 2 is outside, remaining is x plus into plus 2 into x 2x plus into plus 2, we get to get 6, here we multiply 3 plus into plus 2 into 3 6, 2 3 is the 6, 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 3 is the 6. Okay. So that equal to, now group, which are the common, that is the one group, x plus 3, and what are the outside terms are there, that is the one group. If we multiply these two again, we get same equation. So that equal to 0. Now x plus 3 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. And x equal to, if we transfer from LHS side to RHS side, plus positive is changes to negative, minus plus changes to minus, and 3 outside is minus 3. And here x, here plus is there. If it go outside RHS side means plus changes to minus 2. So here x value 3, x value 2. Therefore set B equal to, what are the elements contained by using this equation? Minus 2 comma minus 3. And what is the set A element? 2 comma 3. Compare. Here 2 3 is the same element, but here negative element, here positive element. So both are different. So therefore set A is not equal to B. Therefore set A is not equal to set B. Similarly, in the second problem also, what the given means, set A equal to x is a letter in the word follow. Set B equal to letter in the word wolf. So compare, list the elements of set A by getting the letters of the word follow, and list the letters in the word wolf, and compare both sets A and B. You will get same. So if you get same letters in both sets A and B means the set is equal sets. Therefore A equal to B. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next class I will continue.